How to set up Cisco AnyConnect for VPN connection for PC users. Start by opening up a web browser and go to vpn.ccy.cuny.edu. Change the user group to CCNY User VPN, then enter your CCNY username and password, and then click on Login. Once you've read the warning message, click on Continue. Then click on Start AnyConnect. Then click on Download for Windows. Then Save File. Once the file finishes downloading, click to open it. Then follow the necessary steps to complete the installation. Once the installation has been completed, click on Finish. And on the bottom left of the screen, click on the magnifying tool to search for Cisco and open up Cisco AnyConnect. A VPN window will appear. Click on Connect. Enter your CCNY username and password, then click on OK. Once you have read the warning message, click on Accept. And if your CCNY credentials was entered correctly, you will see a pop-up window letting you know that you are connected.